Hey there, this is Ruth Rowland with a fiddle tutorial for the backup line to That's What I Love About Sunday. This piece was recorded by Craig Morgan, and I believe Larry Franklin played the fiddle on this track. It was written by Adam Dorsey and Mark Narmore. Now, let's get to it. This backup line is beautiful, but it's not as fancy as it sounds. The first two bars basically outline an A-flat arpeggio like this. Pretty straightforward. Now we're going to decorate it. Repeat after me. And let's do that one again. And now let's put them together. And we want this to sound smooth and laid back, so let's put a lot of those notes on the same bow. Good. And next. Right? The first note is a sigh. Yeah. And I have done a video on the slide. If you release, if you don't keep your finger totally in the string, but you release a little bit on your way off the note, that gives you the sigh sound instead of, right? It's now this fancy bit here. Just drum your fingers on the fingerboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, it's 4, 3, 2, 1 that we want, but if you do both ways, it's good practice. Okay? Just drumming your fingers on the fingerboard. I'll show you on the G string so you can see it better. Okay? And then basically just do it while your bow's moving. A bow. Again. Again. All right, so putting the sigh at the beginning. So from the beginning, we have these last 4 notes are also in the second bar that starts with the sigh. But they have another note snuck in there. Turns into this. Okay, so. Right? From the side. And from the beginning. This last bar of the backing line is all stepwise. And if you're not sure what that means, check out this video that I recorded for my Play by Ear series. And just tap your third finger. And now you play it. And as usual, I put chapter markings down below so you can skip back and go over anything that you're not quite confident of. So from the beginning, with me, I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. One, 2, 3, ready, play. One more time, ready, and play. I'm never sure which bowing I'm going to do. Sometimes I slur, sometimes I don't slur. I just want to give it a laid back feeling. Let's try it a little bit slower just to end with the slow version so we're sure we know what we're doing. And play. Wonderful. It's such a beautiful line. I'd like to end this video with the end of the song as it is on the recording.